Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to remove someone from an Instagram group chat. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Click on the messenger icon from the top right corner. Select the group that you want to remove members from. Tap on the info icon at the top right corner of your group chat screen. Scroll down and choose the user you want to remove from the group. Tap on three dots which is located at the side of the user. Now from the pop-up menu, tap on Remove User. And you will remove the user from the group chat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you're able to remove someone from an Instagram group chat. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.